What if I told you people in America are making money using AI every single day? Some are earning hundreds, even thousands of dollars without a full-time job. And the crazy part? Most people still have no idea this is happening. In this video, I'll show you how AI is changing money forever and how you can start using it today, even if you're a complete beginner. Let's be honest, the world is changing fast. Jobs are being replaced. Let's be honest, the world is changing fast. Jobs are being replaced. Let's be honest, the world is changing fast. Jobs are being replaced. Costs are rising, and traditional income is not enough anymore. But at the same time, a new opportunity is exploding. AI. People who understand AI are getting ahead, and those who ignore it are falling behind. AI is not just technology anymore, it's a powerful tool to make money. Think about it. Writing content, creating videos, designing graphics, and automating complex work. All of this can now be done significantly faster with the help of AI. Every day, people are making real money by creating high-quality content using AI for platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and blogs. The best part? You don't even need to show your face. AI helps with everything, from script writing and voiceovers to the final editing. Take faceless YouTube channels, for example. They're generating consistent passive income right now. Freelancers are also using AI to work much faster. Instead of spending hours on a single project, they finish tasks in mere minutes. Whether it's writing, social media posts, or email marketing, the result is clear: more clients and more money. You can start small AI-based side hustles right now. It all begins with a simple shift in perspective. From print-on-demand designs to AI-generated art, the possibilities for creative expression and profit are endless. Create digital products once and sell them multiple times. This is the power of scalable AI tools. AI is also helping with smarter investing, providing insights that were once reserved for top-tier analysts. People use AI tools to analyze stocks, track emerging trends, and make better, data-driven decisions. But here is an important truth. AI helps, but you should never blindly trust it. Strategy still matters. AI is incredibly powerful, but remember, it is just a tool in your arsenal. You are the driver. Don't just watch. Take the first step today and let AI amplify your potential. Start now.
The world of finance is shifting. AI is changing how we make money, and the opportunities are everywhere. The future is clear. AI plus skills equals income. People who adapt will win. Others, they will struggle. Here's how you start today. Step 1. Pick one method. Focus is your greatest asset. Step 2. Use AI tools to learn the basics. The tools are ready. You just need to use them. Step 3. Start small. You don't need a massive budget to begin, just a willingness to try. Step 4. Stay consistent. Success isn't built overnight. It's built daily. Let's recap. AI is changing money. You can start today and take control of your future. Subscribe to DollarWise for more smart money tips and stay ahead of the curve. Comment, "I'm starting with AI" below to join the community. Start today, adapt, and win.